Assalamualaikum.
Om Swastiastu.
Shalom.
Peace.
Peace for all children. God bless all children. God bless all nations of the world.
Dear President, Prime Ministers,
Secretary Generals,
Kings, Queens,
Prince and Princesses,
Ministers, religious leaders, CEOs, and members of Parliament.
Semua pemimpin dunia, aku nggak suka perang.
Why do I see so many wars in television? I'm confused.
Aku tidak ingin ada bom dan peperangan.
I want to live where there is no terrorists around me.
Please stop wars and start to make peace.
Please help the children that are living in war zones.
The things we take for granted, food, love, education, someone else is praying for.
Aku beruntung tidak ada perang di negaraku. Jadi jangan ada perang ya.
Please do not produce bombs and weapons. You can build schools for children and make houses for everyone.
Please help enemies become friends. I hope that Earth will be a better place for kids and adults. And I also hope that there will be no chaos like World War III in the future.
And don't make a World War III. Some of my friends around the world are in danger. So please save them and give them a good place to play and back to school, so they can grow up like a normal kid.
I'm very worried to be living in a world full of war, global warming, and endless suffering. Please end hatred so that all kids can live in peace.
Please make sure that all children can have a happy childhood and pursue their dreams without fear and discrimination.
How many more children need to lose their lives, families, and homes? Don't you realize that we are the future? It is us as children who will shape the future, but it is your job as leaders to help shape us. You may not realize it now, because right now, kids don't have much power. And in the next generation, we will be the ones who will be leading and shaping the world. Please save Aleppo and give the children toys to play with.
I love all my friends no matter where they come from or their religion.
Saya ingin para pemimpin dunia saling menolong dan saling menyayangi sebagaimana orang tua saya menyayangi saya. I hope you work together enough to bring us peace and harmony so people can live their lives fairly.
I'm very happy playing with my Beyblade, and I think every kid in this world has the right to be happy.
God bless planet Earth, our home.
So please help all the children to live with harmony and with lots of love.
Berikanlah kami senyuman yang indah, karena senyum itu awal dari perdamaian. Please protect us from violence, because we are your children too.
We can change the world to be a better place. Just look, listen, and feel with our heart. There are people dying. If you care enough for a living, make a better place for you from me.
Love to all God's creatures.